Raise with market. It's just awful.
Placing alarm bomb.
Cover going out.
Spikes down. Placing swarm grenade.
It's just gone for the night.
Here.
Last player standing.
Swarm grenade out.
One enemy remaining.
No. I needed whoever was backside not to die.
Y'all better keep up.
What if we go like mid? Or just like stack
Oh,
them
ISO,
side?
how does she shit on you too, bro? That's crazy.
Dude, she that she fucking AJ comes out, wide swings, crouches, pops his both. Like, I don't know.
No.
I don't know. I'm just assist farming.
This is business.
Placing
Been on the
sentry.
damn game too long days ago.
Shadows traveling.
I'm just gonna ego
Cover
peek
going
everything.
out. Careful now.
I've been trying to do that, but I'm peeking.
Placing swarm grenade. Placing swarm grenade. Swarm grenade out.
Free.
Alarm bot out. Found one. Variable removed. Spikes down.
I can crouch too.
One enemy remaining.
I know. Sorry.
Oh, I heard it.
Enemy
Really?
spotted mid.
No, no,
Destabilized.
Recalling my bot.
I was gonna knife her, but I was like,
How much did I hit her?
This is crazy.
I hit her
I hit her
56 with
112.
lag. I just literally just did this.
Reloading.
So vulnerable there, so she couldn't flash or anything.
yeah. Okay. Wait, Omen. Whatever.
Target out.
Cover going out.
Oh my. I couldn't.
Have the
Spike down B.
I had to take the fight. He could TP.
Blind. I think it's too
Oh.
big. Oh, it did.
No way you commits that after the blind? Well done, man. Pick a tile. By tile together, he's stuck. Oh, he gets out.
breaking them.
It's kind of crazy.
Shadows traveling.
Go away. Just live, breach. Nice.
Spike planted.
She's lit.
Blinding.
Nice woman.
One enemy remaining.
And dead.
Oh, no,
Over there. Over there.
No.
I'll double one way. I got 4 bullets.
Sorry. This guy
Cover
is...
going Over out. there.
She,
Over there.
tree. Oh, man. I'm so sorry.
Last player standing.
Wait.
You got it.
I have no bullets.
And your Vandal?
Yeah.
Maybe knew he went anyway. That was funny.
I had
Yeah.
no bullets in my Vandal. I tried to shoot it and it didn't shoot. And I was like, wait.
Match
Y'all
point.
both had no
One more
ammo.
win. I'm gonna get out for drinks, lad.
That's
Because I
good.
was spraying people all around. I have
Can I
9
get this?
assists. Like, I'm actually just the assist farmer this week.
Thanks.
Thank you.
Reloading.
Of course. I think our Omen just doesn't have a headset. I was literally marking blank.
Dude,
Let's go.
Placing sentry.
she might try to counter ult me.
Cover going out.
Ow.
Reloading.
Eat that.
I do.
Blinding.
Pretty close.